Hey guys, it's Swamptooth here. I've got a question about MIDI learn capability and automation data writing. So, what I've got here is I've got an instance of Zeta 2 set up. I've got automation write on. I've got MIDI echo on. I've got MIDI echo on the track on. I'm going to open up Zeta 2. I'm going to right click the cutoff. I'm going to forget that. Got it hooked up to my Xn 49 controller. So I'm going to right click MIDI learn. And you can see that learns it okay and adjusts the cutoff. I've got automation write enabled up here too on the soft Xn. So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to hit play. I'm going to move my controller. And you can see it writes the automation data. Okay, so I'm going to turn everything on that off. I'm going to open up Dimension Pro. Do the same thing. I've got automation write, turning that on. Going to input echo through that. Make sure it's enabled on the MIDI channel. It is. I'm going to enable write on the MIDI channel and also on the dimension channel just to cover all my bases. And you can see it's set up exactly the same way. Automation write is on there. Let's make sure there's an enable parameter and they're all enabled. So I'm going to close that out and just double check my MIDI learn. It is set to mod wheel. I'm going to close that out and hit play. And I'm moving my controller, but nothing's happening. I'm not even showing any input on the Dimension Pro MIDI track, which is kind of weird, even when I solo it out. It's a little bit bizarre. I'm going to check my MIDI channels. It's set to Omni. It should be working. Change it to channel 1, which is what my keyboard is set to. Still not working. Don't really get that. Anyway, I was wondering if anyone else had that problem. Oh, wow, look at that. Now, it's writing after I hit play, after I hit stop. Okay, funky. So let's try this again. I'm going to hit play again, and I'm going to move my controller. You can see it's getting MIDI messages, but it's not writing to the Dimension Pro lane, even though write enable and it's controlling the cutoff. So I don't understand the inconsistencies between the soft synths. Now the same thing happens when I use native instruments. It works in Contact, but it doesn't work in Massive, which is totally baffling. Anyway, any feedback or suggestions you guys have, anything that you found works for you, go ahead and let me know. Send me a message, reply to this thread or anything. Anyway, thanks a lot. Have fun. Bye.